Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And as you know it, these are the outfits and the wigs of the week. So we have here, this is my casual, I'm working from home. So just like a jumper that I'm wearing. And then we have this tunic with some tights. And then I have this burgundy dress. This is a fuchsia blouse with a jacket with these sort of like pants. We have this pink top with some gray pants. And then we have, we have a yellow sweater with these are tights. Not tights, but like leggings. Okay? So those are the outfits for the week. Can you see them? Okay. All right. And then we have the wigs for the week. And I've just dropped my book with all of my notes, so give me 1 second. Come on, where are we? Okay, here we are. All right, so we have Alyssa on the top. She is a headband wig. So I'm gonna wear her casually with that you know, the casual romper. So that's Alyssa. And then we have Ambrose in Indigo Swirl from Hair Kitty Kitty. Then we have Vivica Fox's AW-Fajar in P4 2730. That's in the middle there, that sort of reddish color. Then I have Lorelei up there in Sunkissed Blonde. We're going to wear her this week. And then I have Brooke. We're going to do some curly in Mocha Frosted 2414. And then I have Estetica's Ocean. Going to wear with the yellow outfit. So the Brooke I'm going to wear with the gray outfit. The Fajar I'm going to wear with the red dress. And then I do have Rowan down there in the middle and the buttered toast just as a backup. And then these other ones I'm just, you know, those I'm storing. But those are the wigs for the week and the outfits for the week. All right, so that's what you have to look forward to for Pam's Wig Adventure for the week of April 10th in 2022. Thank you. Thanks for watching.